YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you with another one. We're gonna talk about some Toshi coin today. Before we get into it, I gotta always let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just the homie. You gotta go out and do your own research and don't buy anything you see in this video. Also, that was a crazy noise in the background. Just so you guys know, I'm in LA right now and it's the 4th of July. It's gonna be crazy. Like, I'm gonna try to make some more videos tonight, but I already know this neighborhood is gonna be crazy. They even letting them off right now. It's like 2 in the afternoon. It's all day with it. I don't even know. Maybe they just like the noise because you can't even see the effect in the daylight, right? But anyway, let's talk about some Toshi. As you guys could see, Toshi coming in at 208 million today, guys. We see a positive break above that 200 million mark? And I told you guys, what did I say just yesterday? I said, guys, if we are able to break above 200, we could see a big run up. And as a matter of fact, just yesterday, guys, we ran all the way up to 225. That is nice. That is awesome price action. Again, we see some volatility with Bitcoin, but I telling you guys, man, and I've been saying this, I'm like, guys, look at Toshi, man. It's moving every time the Bitcoin wants to move. Just seems like if you're bullish on Bitcoin, then why wouldn't you also be paying attention to Toshi on these dips? I personally am paying attention to Toshi. I think a lot of these big exchanges are going to start paying attention to Toshi as well if it can keep demanding as much market share as it is, because again, this thing is attracting a lot of money and it's also attracted now close to 1 million investors. A lot of people coming together, guys. Hasn't this community just brought us together in such an amazing way, right? Let's talk about it. On 4th of July, Toshi has brought us all together, right? It's amazing. But as you guys can see, again, Toshi coin coming in at 208 million, looking pretty solid even on the 4-day. Nice bounce off of this bottom Keltner channel. And is this what we need to see, right? This double bottom starting to form and a market recovery starting to happen. Again, we can see a bigger price pump, in my opinion, if Toshi coin wants to stay bullish on this weekly chart. As you guys can see, retesting our weekly right now. This is, like I say, I look for sweet zones. You know what I'm saying? Like, there can always be a rejection off of this zone. Don't get me wrong. I'm not telling you what to buy. As a matter of fact, I already told you don't buy it, right? But there's a decent chance, I feel like, if Bitcoin wants to pump on Monday, that Toshi coin will be pumping up above the second Keltner channel. Are we going to have a bullish Q3, guys? That is the question, right? Are we still going to have a Q4 that is solid, right? Should I be shopping for Christmas crypto right now? Should I be doing that right now? Because I'm planning on selling closer towards the holidays. But again, maybe that's not a good idea. I don't know. I just look at prior cycles. I just look at prior indicators. Again, maybe we could see history play out again. We've seen this thing, do what it was doing. Guys, we were covering this thing. We've kind of been covering Toshi now for like 2 years, because look, it's November 2023. It's about to be like 2 years of covering Toshi. It's amazing. It's amazing, guys. We've been talking about this thing since it was at like 10 million market cap. And some of you guys hearing about Toshi for the first time, some of you guys tell me, Crypto J, I would have never known about Toshi. I heard about it before it even got on Coinbase. I heard about it from you. And I think that's amazing, guys. I do. I think it's amazing. But I do think that, again, that we still have some room for growth on Toshi, in my personal opinion. I think that Toshi has a good chance. Again, it's not for sure. It's not in stone, right? No, nothing is for sure in cryptocurrency, highly volatile space, you know. But again, this is one coin that I'm expecting a lot of good things out of. Look at this price. This chart looks awesome on the weekly, guys. Look at this price action. Now we're creating, again, higher lows. Higher lows, guys. This is what I'm looking for. We've really been creating higher lows since like way over here in January. Toshi coin still creating higher lows. Everybody panicking every little dip. The panickers, right? The crybabies. Crybabying. But I've been saying the same thing consistently. I'm looking for this coin at the cheapest price. Still looking at this coin at the cheapest price. Guess what I'm going to say if we reject off of the zone and need to see a lower retest? I'm looking at this coin at the cheapest price. But you know what? I'm looking at this coin right now, because this might be the cheapest price, guys. I don't know. Again, we're coming upon some key levels of resistance right now. Toshi coin's in at 208. And yeah, it hasn't been a lot of price action in the past 5 minutes. But at the same time, Bitcoin has been looking a little bit funky. So the fact that Bitcoin looking a little bit funky, sitting around like 107 right now, time video, I think that Bitcoin does want to create some positive levels of support because again, Bitcoin was coming in at like 110.5 yesterday. So if Bitcoin wants to create some positive support in this 107, 108 range, that's going to be really good. And it could be a sign that again we need to see more breakout. If Bitcoin sees more breakout, again, Toshi is positioned in a beautiful way right now. This coin is absolutely showing volume, in my opinion. But again, guys, it's up to you what you want to invest in. I already told you guys, don't buy anything you see in this video. Let me know what your price predictions are for Toshi in the comment section below. Also, let us know how much you're holding. Are you a whale in this? Have you been accumulating this whole time? Or are you a paper handler? Did you sell at the bottom and then now you bought back in and then now you got less coins? Tell us if that happened to you too. That happens, right? It happens. It happens to all of us, guys. I know the fear is overwhelming sometimes, right? But I did tell you that we were going to see a lot of volatility. Even in the past month, I told you it's going to be a lot of volatility. But guess what, guys? We might see some positive price action to take it. Dogecoin hitting all the way up at 225 million just last night. If you guys like it, again, let me know in the comment section below. All of those things, and I will catch you guys next video. Oh, also, right, if you have not yet joined the Patreon, go check out Patreon, bro. Go check it out, man. It's an amazing resource. Everything right there, and you can tap into the Telegram. So I appreciate you all, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.